Cooks. Today we're going to take our first look at a really interesting slow cooker multi-cooker. This is from Buydeem, and I love their products. I have a toaster from Buydeem that I have been using for 4 years, and it works as good today as it does the day that I got it. Today we're looking at their multi-cooker. This is a unique setup because the base, you can switch different pots on it. You can put a frying pan, a slow cooker pot. It even does beans, which I'm interested in trying it out. So we're going to take our first look at this. Welcome to the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen. So I got my Buydeem toaster 4 years ago, and I love this thing. I use this almost every single day. It works fantastic. I love it. So I know I love their product. So when I heard that they had this multi-cooker, I wanted to try this baby out. So what's unique about this cooker is it has a base. And that base you can put different pots on. So we have the stock pot today, I believe, but they have a frying pan you can get with this. They have a Dutch oven and all kinds of fun stuff. So I thought this is really interesting because it's really versatile. So it has a slow cook, sear, sauté, braise, soup, bean, in high and low temperature settings for the slow cook and for the sauté. I really love a slow cooker that has a sauté function. I'm almost to the point where if it doesn't have that, I don't want it. It's because I don't like things that are just only slow cooked. I need to develop some flavor, and you do that by sautéing first. And I really don't want to have to saute on the stove and then come back and slow cook in the slow cooker. I want to do it all in one appliance. And you can do that. And what's interesting about this is any pot that's 7 inches, you can use on this cooker. So it comes with our instruction manual. Very nice. Shows you all the operation and how to cook in it, right? So you have slow cook. The default is 4 hours on high, slow cook 8 hours on low. Bean is 6 hours. Braise is 4 hours, and then you can saute high and low.
Is that rest just different languages? They don't really have a recipes, right?
No, not really. You use your own recipes.
All right.
So let's see. So this is the base. And you will put your fry pan on here. You put your stock pot on here. You put your slow cooker pot on here. Whoa! And you know what? It matches my toaster. So these come in different colors. They have it in yellow. We're actually going to be looking at one of their new colors, the pink toaster, pretty soon, right? Pink! So I got this. It matches my my toaster. And I love this green. I am a big fan of this light, light green color. Seafoam.
Well, you like jadeite from the Martha Stewart days.
Yeah. I'm still into the Martha Stewart green. That's what reminds me of Martha Stewart green. Whoa, okay. So here's the pot that goes on here. Beautiful. So, suitable stock pot for the slow cooker. You can stew, boil, saute, and braise in this baby. Oh, cute. Look.
Are those little mitts?
Are these little mitts? Cute. Here's the manual for this. And here is our pot. Look at that green color. I love it. I love it, Buydeem. Love it. I can't get enough of this color. Ooh, and here is your, whoa, that is nice. This is a cool little piece. I love it. Let me plug it in real quick. So these are the little mitts that go on here. They just go on your pot here. So you just lift it up like that. Those are cute. These are adorable. I love these. Okay, so here's all your cycles and you just hit menu. So we have slow cook, sear, sauté, braise, bean, and soup. Slow cook low, slow cook high, so it's 4 hours. Low is, you can change the time actually, which you can't do this on a lot of things, right? You can change the time. And seared sauté, it just goes on. Seared sauté is just on high.
No, seared sauté looks like it was flashing on low. It depends on what temperature you hit.
Yeah, so low versus high, seared sauté. Braising, you can change the time again. Awesome, and to get it to start, you just hit start. And then it starts heating up. You can see it's heating up. Sweet. And it has to keep warm. That's nice. So this is the Buydeem Multicooker, Slow Cooker, Sear, Braise, all that fun stuff. And look at these cute little ears on here. I love these things. This is what, the color in these little things, right? So you can put a regular 7-inch little fry pan on here and use it with that. They also have a fry pan that's available that you can order that will go with this. So it makes this like a hot plate base. And then, but you still have all those features that you don't have with a hot plate because you have the slow cook, the braise, the stew, right? All that fun stuff. I love this thing. Stay tuned. We're going to cook with this baby. We're going to slow cook. We're going to braise some chicken. And I'm going to soak some beans in here. And we'll make some beans a la chara in here. Stay tuned. That'll be up next. Thanks, Buydeem. I really appreciate it. Links for this baby will be down in the description. I hope you enjoy this little cooker, and thanks for joining me.